Hi, my name is Lieutenant Colonel Sharon Green, United States Army retired. I'm currently serving as the President and CEO of Alatheis Consulting Group. Alatheis is the Greek word for loving the truth, speaking the truth, authentic. In other words, there is nothing hidden. And that is our desire for you, as we offer John Maxwell certified coaching, speaking, and training, as well as concepts, strategies, and tools for the individual, the small business, corporations, veterans, and the faith-based community that will take you from me to we. And on this Veterans Day, we would like to salute those who are serving, honor those who have served, and encourage those who are making the transition to know that you are fully equipped to serve in any capacity that your hearts desire. So happy Veterans Day from Alatheis Consulting Group and from me to you.